Hi, in the last session, we introduced reinforcement learning and had some basic understanding of it. So we know that reinforcement learning is a method where machine learns from the feedback of present action and can behave based on the interactions in the real time and able to take the decisions in the dynamic environment. These all decisions will be taken to achieve some specific goal for which the model is developed, and that too without telling the model what action to take or what action not to take. It will self-choose those actions like winning the game or reaching to the end of race where you need to come first, and that too without accident. While in the training, a machine learning model can take any action from all the possibilities. And when the action is taken, then the next step is the feedback. So either that action would be good or that action would be bad. So if the action was good, the model will have some positive points as a feedback, or in general term we say rewards. But if the move was bad, then the model will have negative points as a feedback, or in general term we say penalty. So the system will know what was the good move and what was the bad move at any specific point of situation. This means machine learning model will sense the current situation, and for that any input type of system can be used like a camera or sensor or geolocation of itself or other objects in the environment, etc. Then based on the environment, the decision making model will take the appropriate action to achieve the desired goal. As I said in the previous session, that any specific machine learning model can work individually for performing a smaller task, but it is not always the same case. Sometimes a machine learning model can be a subpart of a bigger system. These bigger system or complete system can have multiple ML models or some hard-coded software codes, or maybe mix of both. Anyway, coming back to reinforcement learning concept. So based on the current environment, the machine learning model will take some action, and that action possibly change the environment. So new environment state will again go to the training model, then new action will be taken, and this will go on and on continuously like state machines in the loop. And with every situation when the action is taken, the decision making agent will get either reward if decision was good or get the penalty if decision was bad. And with this feedback concept, the machine learning model will learn from its own experience. Means a concept of learning by trial and error. Like how a kid learns to balance a bicycle. He will try, then he will fall, then try, then fall, and by the time he will learn how to ride a bicycle. He cannot learn that only by reading the books or watching the videos. Let's consider the same example of playing a chess game. So at the starting point, machine do not know anything except some basic rules. So it plays its first game and lose the game because it was its first gameplay without knowing much. So the bad actions will get very strong negative feedback, and the machine will know what to do and what not to do for the next gameplay. So same for the second gameplay, it loses the game. Same for third gameplay. But slowly, when this machine learned the bad moves and good moves, it starts winning the games and start getting rewards. Means positive feedback. And over the multiple gameplays, machine will try to maximize the rewards. And with every gameplay, the difficulty level for the challenges will increase. This all happens because machine tried different strategies to win the game. And this was the part of its trial and error method, which finally helped the machine to take better decisions. Some decisions would help him winning the game, and some moves would be the reason to lose. But every action will help him in the future to take the optimal decision based on the specific situation in the dynamic environment. Let's see how it actually works with some block diagrams. So this is the high level structure where t is the current time, and hence t1, t2, t3 are the next successive timestamps. So at the very beginning, the decision making agent will analyze the environment. You can say initial state of environment. And then based on that environment, decision making agent will take some decision in the present time. It's mentioned by AT in the block diagram. So based on this decision, the environment may change. It can be better or even worse. So it depends if the new state is better than previous. Decision making agent will get some positive feedback, Or if the environment becomes worse, then it will get the negative feedback. In the block diagram, you can relate it with R t plus 1, and this process will continuously run in multiple cycles until we achieve the desired goal. So, why we call this approach reinforcement learning? Because the cumulative knowledge is developed to achieve the defined goal is by reinforcing the goal again and again to the model in the different situation and environment. Next question, where to use reinforcement learning? So the answer is reinforcement learning can be used in the application where machine need to take sequence of decisions to achieve a defined goal, and those decisions will come with a positive or negative feedback. This was a high-level overview of machine learning. I hope you enjoyed the contents and learned from the sessions of this AI and machine learning essential playlist. If you did not subscribe till now, then please do subscribe to learn and grow community for the regular updates. If this video is informative, then please like this video, comment on video, and don't forget to share. Thank you for watching.